Hello, good morning, and welcome to Morning Conversations with Mika. So, I have decided to do this uh, podcast thing here on YouTube every Friday, and I will upload siguro around, ano oras na ba? I will upload every 11 a.m. So, that's our schedule na. Hindi ko na talaga siya kaya gawin consistently na everyday because first, na-realize ko how I journal now is very personal. Second, ah, ano ba? Second, late ako nagigising, opo. And madalas, work na agad or minsan, hindi ko na talaga nasasama sa routine ko tong pag-film. Kasi I have other things that I need to do and na-enjoy ko mag-learn this past few weeks. So, yun yung medyo priority ko. But yeah, let's proceed with what I'll be sharing. So, gumawa ako ng aking March spread. So, ganito siya. This is my painting, by the way, and I believe I'm getting better at it. Ako din nag-outline yan. So, naglagay lang ako ng mga affirmations here and nilagay ko na I am worthy of all the love, recognition, and praise. I am wealthy and building a generational wealth. I am comfortable and secured. I am kind, loving, and full of wisdom. I am powerful and empowering. I am who I want to be. I am generous and forgiving. I am beautiful and strong. Just to set the mood for the whole month. And alam nyo, na-feel ko talaga siya. So that's the power of affirmations, no? Iba talaga yung you are reframing your thoughts into a powerful statement na makaka-help din sa'yo. So, for my journal entries this week, I started ng March 1, then March 3, then 4, 5, and today, March 6. So, nilagay ko lang dito na I started my month right because maaga ako nagising that time. Nagpa-nail polish ako. Nagpaayos ako nail polish. And then, ginawa ko na yung March spread ko. I actually did the painting with Leon. So, pinag-drawing ko din siya ng flower. Nasa common place na journal ko yun. So, doon ko siya nilagay. And happy ako sa progress ko in terms of art because natututo na ako mag-drawing, natututo na ako mag-paint, and grabe yung expression kasi wala naman akong sinusundan or ginagaya ng mga drawing or painting. I just go with the flow. And happy ako doon. Super happy ako. Nakaka-relax din siya. And happy din ako na nasasama ko si Leon sa journey ko na yun. So, nilagay ko din dito na I can feel this month na very abundant and winning. And true enough, I've been closing deals. Happy ako because clients are seeing our value. The talents are also seeing the value of having a talent management. And nag-a-align lang. Like, we are meeting aligned people. We are opening our eyes to more things and more opportunities are opening up for all of us. And that's the beauty of being aligned with yourself as well because aligned things are also given to you, 'di ba? And ayun. So overall, parang nafe-feel ko lang this month I just go with the flow. Whatever it is what it is. Yun talaga. And ganun talaga, no? Aligned people will be there. And there will also be misaligned people. And they will just fall off at the right time. So, ganun lang naman ang buhay. And I don't want to force anything right now. Parang ang priority ko right now is to really protecting my space and my peace. And making sure that I am prioritizing myself more than anyone. Because I cannot show up for other people if I am not prioritizing myself. So, ayun. Something that I am also celebrating is I am consider I am consistently getting regular periods for 3 months now. So, sobrang happy ko doon as in. Kasi I've been irregular for the past months. Especially last year, no? So, happy ako na I started the year na consistent ako. And I'm also on my third book. I started the month with a new book. So, happy din ako doon. And I'm really happy learning. Although, I started the year na nag-novel ako. So, parang ang plan ko ay papag-alternate ko yung self-help or learning ng mga books about business and everything sa mga non-fiction and novels. Because na-enjoy ko din siya. It's something new. It makes me feel alive. It makes me feel human with emotions. Nababalidate yung aking mga emotions. So, happy ako dun. And, ayun. I've been keeping my circle small. And happy ako na yung circle na yon. Circle or point to point? Charis. Yung circle na yon ay understands me and hindi din ako tinotolerate. Parang there's no chismis. It's more on debriefing. It's more on debriefing, yun. So, one of the things that na-debrief ko ay nag-resonate din siya and na-realize ko na I really need to let go of control. Like, the way I show up with people, I cannot expect the same way na yung people mag-show up din ng ganun sa akin. I cannot expect the people to show up the same way, di ba? And parang knowing that, and knowing din na meron kasing iba't ibang personality, may iba't ibang priority, may iba't ibang way of coping up ang mga tao. Kaya never ko talagang pwedeng i-expect na mag-show up sila the same way I show up for them. Parang nagbibigay lang siya ng comfort sa akin, no? Kasi minsan, your mind is really playing with you and madalas, negative talaga yung may isip mo, di ba? Especially if you are hyper-aware of the changes, of the things that's going on. Madalas talaga, masasabi sa'yo na, oo, itong tao na to, ganito na iniisip sa'yo, ganyan-ganyan. But it's all in your head. Meron lang talaga tayong iba't ibang priority. And ayun. And I'm happy na yung mga ganitong bagay ay sinusubong ko na lang sa journal ko. Charis. And hindi ko na siya, I'm no longer a very confrontational person. Happy ako sa progress ko na yun. Because dati, I believe things should be communicated. Things should be faced. But right now, I just let things be. Kasi, napagod na rin si ate girl. Napagod na rin talaga ako. So, ayun. Parang, I've communicated naman my values. I've communicated who I am and my non-negos. So, it's up to the people how they interpret it. It's up to them if they want to show up for me, if they want to misunderstand me, di ba? You really cannot control other people because iba-iba talaga tayo. And second, madalas, ang mga tao ay nagpo-project lang din sa'yo. So, ayun, the things that are happening now is really not about me. It's really about the other people. It's really about them showing who they really are, showing their pains, their struggles, showing how they also see themselves. So, ganun ko na lang siya tinitignan. And, wala lang, I'm just happy. I'm really happy. So, ayun, see you again next week. So, ganito na yung schedule natin every 11 a.m. Fridays. Bye!